Hey everybody, we're back here at the UW farm. Today we're going to talk about our leaf compost pile. This was funded by the Campus Sustainability Fund, and it is composed of tree leaves and coffee grounds from the roasteries on campus. So here's the pile in the making. This has been assembled over the course of this year. Let's look at some of the different parts of it. You can see we've got paper coffee filters, which will break down pretty nicely. There's tree leaves in here, clumps of tree leaves. There's actually a mushroom growing out of this one, which is pretty cool. And we've got clumps of coffee grounds. So when you're making a compost pile, we often talk about greens and browns, or carbon and nitrogen ratios. So carbon-rich materials are often called the browns. These are things like wood chips, leaves. And then nitrogen-rich materials are things that we call the greens. So things like coffee grounds, although they're not green, waste from weeds, crop residue, that kind of stuff that has just recently been living. So you may not be able to see this, and I wish you could feel it, but as I dig deeper into this pile, it is getting extremely hot. It's so hot that I can't keep my hand in there for very long, because that is just the heat of all of the organisms inside the pile breaking down everything. Here comes Perry. Gonna dig it open a little bit more with the shovel, so maybe you can see all the steam coming out. On a cold day or in the morning, you can really see these piles steaming a lot. Compost piles, the ideal temperature is around 130 or 140 degrees, but they can get